Hello, I am Anil Anuberumat, working as a principal product manager for release and deploy products at digital.ai. In this session, we will discuss the challenges that enterprise customers face with infrastructure as code and provide a quick demo on how to spin up an EC2 instance in AWS using release. Many customers who manage their applications in the cloud encounter difficulties when providing their teams with self service capability to provision infrastructure on demand. Now, with pre built workflow templates for Terraform, teams can easily onboard infrastructure as code using Terraforms. Teams can efficiently manage and automate various provisioning, updating, and scaling patterns for infrastructure. And they can plan to integrate infrastructure as code with deployments. In this demo, a Git repository serves as a single source of truth for infrastructure definitions in the GitOps. For all infrastructure modifications, GitOps uses merge request as a change method. We will spin up an EC2 instance and then we will destroy the instance to demonstrate how easily the workflow can be executed. With this, let's get into the demo. In this arrangement, you will have three files. You have main.tf where all resources are defined, and you have the output.tf files. You define the output values that you want to see, and the backend.tf where you specify your tf state file to be updated to. So here we see there's no EC2 installed yet. So this is in release where we select the Terraform workflow and we will provide the required inputs. The inputs is the Git repository where the Terraform files are stored, where you commit, you do a PR request and merge, which works as the center of every code that gets updated. You provide the path where the Terraform files are located, and along with that you will also provide your tokens for your private repositories. Workflow consists of one or more jobs that can be triggered by a user. You can use a workflow to provide the required inputs and take actions based on the events. Either you go create an infrastructure or you can update an existing infrastructure. You can check the Terraform out files in the logs for detailed information. You can also go back to the previous tasks to see what inputs were provided. So user can review the historical data and take actions accordingly. The log files provide you the detailed output of the Terraform, and you can validate whether your instance is up and running in the AWS. Overall, with the pre-built workflow, even you can destroy the infrastructure that you have created. For example, if you're doing a testing, you can spin up an infrastructure, you can deploy your applications, and you can test those applications and then destroy your infrastructure. Even for the destroy infrastructure using Terraform, you can check the log files to validate whether the execution had happened and the infrastructure was destroyed. It provides you a detailed output of what was completed. So overall, with the pre-built workflow and Terraform integrations, platform teams can now streamline the process and improve efficiency and consistency. Thank you.